Hello and welcome to StoryBot AI. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how StoryBot AI works and how you can start creating amazing content in just a few clicks. First, log into the application. On the left-hand side, you'll find all the powerful features neatly organized for you. Click on the first feature called Video Story. Now click on Generate Video Story. Enter a story topic keyword. For this example, I'll use motivation. Now choose your preferred voice to bring your story to life. Next, search for images related to your story. I'll search for motivation and select any 5 images that fit the theme. Now click on Create Video. And just like that, your video is generated.
2 people started at the same point. One improved just 1% every day. The other stayed comfortable. After a year, the first person wasn't just better. They were 37 times ahead. Small actions. Daily discipline. Quiet consistency. Moral. Success isn't a big moment. It's a small habit repeated daily.
Now let's move to Story Audio. Click on Generate Audio Story. Enter your audio script, choose the country and language, select the voice, upload an image, and click Submit. And there you have it. Your audio story is ready.
Thank you, Sam, for urging the US police to take action on rising crime in New York. The more people are behind this issue, the more likely it is that the US police will pay attention. Share this petition with your friends and family. Once again, thank you for your support.
Thank you, Sam, for urging the U.S. police to take action on rising crime in New York. The more people are behind this issue, the more likely it is that the U.S. police will pay attention. Share this petition with your friends and family. Once again, thank you for your support.
This is another amazing feature of StoryBot AI, eBook Story. Click on Create eBook Story, add your story topic, and click Submit. Within seconds, your ebook is generated and ready to use. More powerful features are built-in Google Bard AI, full video training series, and 24/7 dedicated support. And that's your quick walkthrough of StoryBot AI, where your ideas turn into stories, videos, and more in minutes.